if God don't break you, we can stay right here. Cause your love is like rain on my skin. It softens the surface. Sinking fast, don't know how to act, and it's overcast when I drift away from you. You pull me back, but we'll never last. Cause I'm going mad, cause I lose myself in you.
Days are long, your car won't start. It's hard to fix shit with a broken heart. I know growing up, it's not what it seems. Man, half of you is 30, half is 17. Wish we could live in the moment. It gets harder and harder to focus. We just ran, so it's harder to own it. So if it helps ya, I'm here with ya. Baby, don't you cry no more. I got 2 arms in an open door. Sure as there's a night and day, I know things are gonna be okay. You and I are the same, ain't a thing that could change us. We're just riding a wave, play the game but it played us. No sleep, you got your eyes wide open. It's scary like a sci-fi show, and you're cruising down the I-5 hoping that for once the time will fly by slower. Wish we could live in the moment. It gets harder and harder to focus. We just ran, so it's harder to own it. So if it helps ya, I'm here with ya. Baby, don't you cry no more. I got 2 arms in an open door. Sure as there's a night and day, I know things are gonna be okay. Baby, don't you cry no more. I got 2 arms in an open door. Sure as there's a night and day, I know things are gonna be okay.
I'm so in love with you. You just hug me and give me warmth. It could took away my pain, and you let me feel so safe and peacefully calm. Dark run away, season cold again when you are around. Your voice is near, right beside my ears, and I'll fall asleep again. It's getting cold right here in the night at some place with the same air you breathe. I take a deep 1,000 place. I never understand why do I have to fall that hard for you. It's getting more and more hurt as I know that you'll never get to me. I never get this emotional, which is a song that someone wrote. It's like I'm reading a story of how my life is in the past. I never thought that I could ever find someone who feels the same way as me. It's just that this someone is different from me, that I will never talk to him. Dream, you are in reveries of mine. Dream, I could never get to talk to you. And even if we could meet someday, you'll never see me the same I do. This is the only thing I can do, write a song for you. When someone knocks the door, somehow I wish it would be you. And every time I walk, somehow I hope I could see you. Even if you are covered with a hat or a big hoodie of yours, I will recognize easily, 'cause I know exactly how you look. It might be weird for some people who don't understand, but I don't know how can I erase these feelings of mine. And even if I could delete all your songs and the pictures in my phone, the memories of how I could be happy is lingering in my thoughts. Dream, you are in reveries of mine. Dream, I could never get to talk to you. And even if we could meet someday, you'll never see me the same I do. This is the only thing I can do, write a song for you. Saying how should it be is now never get to see. Talking about the reality is now never get to hurt. Some people might not understand that he is the only one I want now. But no, I shouldn't think like that, 'cause it will trouble him. Dream, you are in reveries of mine. Dream, I could never get to talk to you. And even if we could meet someday, you'll never see me the same I do. This is the only thing I can do, write a song for you. It's 5:50 something, and I feel so empty inside. The sun is going down, the sky is turning red. Sparkling clouds around, or do I just get drunk? Well, it doesn't matter, as long as it looks warm. Maybe I'm better if just get along. Maybe it's better if I can hide somewhere peaceful. No talk or laugh, just smile in the sunset until I realize I'm actually in pain. The sound of their love and their funny talk, it's getting so loud as I keep thinking of those moments I miss, the times where I don't have to think so deeply, where I don't have to understand what does life mean. Maybe I'm better if just get along.